Quick honest review of the Senville LETO series mini split air conditioner. No fluff, no sponsored nonsense. Just the facts. So here's the one thing that really bugged me about this air conditioner. Its lack of Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control is just a hassle, especially if you're away from home all day and can't just turn it up or down like you would with your phone or Alexa. Now, I know some people might say it's not a big deal, but trust me, when the heat kicks in and you're stuck in an air-conditioned office without any way to control the temperature, that frustration sets in fast. But here's why I still think this mini split is worth considering. Its integration with Alexa and the app itself are incredibly smooth. Once you've set up the smart home features, you can adjust the temperature from anywhere, which takes a huge stress out of managing the AC when you're not at home. That feature alone makes it feel like a premium product. Let's talk about some real-world benefits. First off, its versatility is actually one of its strongest points. This thing acts like 4 different air conditioners all rolled into one: dehumidifier, fan, heat pump, and AC. It's perfect for any space, from tiny bedrooms to large warehouses, because it can adapt so seamlessly. Another feature that stood out: the 5-year manufacturer's warranty is pretty standard in this class of products, but I was impressed by how comprehensive it actually is. Senville stands behind their stuff, which you don't want to gamble on when investing your hard-earned cash. So what changed my mind? For one thing, its compact size and sleek design make it look way nicer than most mini splits out there, so no more ugly AC vents taking up valuable space in your living room or office. It's just a clean, modern aesthetic that keeps it looking almost factory new even after a year of use. Lastly, the installation kit included with this unit is seriously convenient. With all parts pre-assembled and ready to go, just don't expect a walk-in-the-door experience without professional help. You're saving yourself the time, sweat, and possibly hefty repair bill that comes with installing AC yourself. Verdict: buy it. The pros outweighed my one major gripe about this product by a mile: its lack of seamless Wi-Fi connectivity. If you've been searching for a reliable mini split to control your home's temperature from anywhere, I'd highly recommend the Senville LETO series. Hit subscribe if you want reviews like this with no sponsor bias, then drop the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.